Welcome, in front of me I have WIKO View 3 and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. So right here we can find fingerprint sensor on the back and we are going to make a few tries and let's see how it performs. So let's get it. Oh, I can say that it's really fast for that price range. We are going to check if it's reliable, so if it's going to recognize my fingerprint every time. But right now, definitely I can say it's fast. It's fast for that price range. So definitely worth to get it if you are thinking about fast unlocking your phone with the fingerprint sensor. And I can say after this few tries that it's reliable because it recognizes my fingerprint every time. So I'm surprised that works really nice in the WIKO View 3. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.